What's up, y'all? Hey, I got a real quick one for you. This one right here, you're gonna like. This is my buttercream cheese frosting. It's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients, you know what I'm saying? Little ones, you know. You got your cream cheese, 8 ounces of that, room temperature. Got you a stick of butter, cup, room temperature. Got a powdered sugar cup right here, a whole cup of that, you understand me? Heaping, one of those. 2 tablespoons of vanilla powder. Yep, vanilla powder. If you can't get it, get on the internet and go grab you some. You understand me? 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I'm going to do the butter and cream cheese in here. I'm going to beat them like they owe me some money. I'm going to dump that powdered sugar in here, sift it in. You understand me? And then I'm going to put this vanilla in with that. Put that all together. You understand me? I'm going to pour that vanilla extract on top of that. Mix him up, whip him up. I don't have a piping bag, so I'm going to use this right here. You understand me? I'm going to cut a little hole right here. I'm going to put on top a couple of them carrot cake cupcakes for you. You understand me? So y'all can see what it do. If it's too dry for you, add you a little milk or add you a little heavy cream. If it's too wet, put some more powdered sugar in it. Simple as that. Ain't rocket science, baby. Here we go.